Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. This is Kamal sir, and you are catching me on my new venture that is none but foreign languages by Kamal sir. Dear friends, as far as the language English is concerned, it's very easy to read, write as well as to speak. But as far as any other international language is concerned, it's very difficult to read, write as well as speak. I'm going to throw some light on one of the foreign languages that is none but Spanish in order to give you some light on this language. I hope my video lecture will help improve your knowledge about the language Spanish. So let me start the video today. I am going to give you some family pairs from the language Spanish itself. So pair number one is hombre with the spellings Hombre. This word hombre, it starts with the letter H. The letter H is called H in Spanish language. And whenever the letter H comes initially, it doesn't pronounce at all. It doesn't be pronounced at all. It remains silent. So the word hombre with the spellings Hombre means man from the Spanish language itself. And its another counterpart, pair number one, it is mujer with the spellings Muger. Muger. In the language Spanish, the J letter gives the sound of H. So it is not mujer, Muger. Actually, the pronunciation of this word is mujer, Muger, means mujer. But what does the word mujer means? The word mujer means women. Now pair number two. Pair number two means papa. You might have heard about this word papa. P-A-P-A, and the last vowel A having an accent over it. Papa. Papa means father in Spanish. And the counterpart word is mother. Mother is called mama. M-A-M, just M-A-M-A, last A having the accent over it. Mama. So papa and mama, second pair. Moving on to our third pair. Third pair is esposo. E-S-P-O-S-O. The word esposo means husband. And wife, what do we call wife in Spanish? The word is esposa. E-S-P-O-S-E. Esposa is wife in Spanish. Pair number four. Pair number four is hijo with the spellings H-I-J-O. Here H letter remains silent. It's a silent letter, and J gives the sound of H. H is called Achi in Spanish language. So the right pronunciation of this word is hijo. H-I-J-O. It means hijo. Hijo means son, S-O-N, son in Spanish language. And counterpart word is hija, H-I-J-A. Hija word means daughter. Hija words from the language Spanish, it means daughter. Moving on to our next pair. Next pair says hermano with the spellings H-E-R-M-A-N-O. Hermano in Spanish language means brother. Hermano in Spanish language means brother. And the counterpart word is hermana. H-E-R-M-A-N-A. Hermana means sister. Hermana means sister in the Spanish language. Next pair. Next pair is Tio. Tio. First word is Tio. Tio means uncle. Tio is called uncle in Spanish language. And next is Tia. Tia means aunt. A-U-N-T. Tia from Spanish language, it means aunt in English language. Next pair. Next pair is, the word is primo. Primo. Primo in Spanish language means cousin. Here, this is a masculine noun. Masculine noun means it refers to a male person. So, primo means a male cousin. In simple language, it means primo with the spellings Primo, primo. And female cousin, it is called prima, Prima, prima. So, primo and prima. Next pair is abuelo with the spellings Abuelo. What is abuelo in Spanish? Abuelo means grandfather. Abuelo word means grandfather. Counterpart word is abuela with the spellings Abuela. And abuela word means grandmother. Next pair is suegro with the spelling Suegro. Suegro means father-in-law. Suegro word in the Spanish language itself means father-in-law. And suegra. Suegra means Suegra. Suegra itself means mother-in-law. So suegro means father-in-law and suegra means mother-in-law. Next pair is soltero with the spellings Soltero. What is soltero in Spanish? Soltero means bachelor. Bachelor person is called soltero in Spanish language, Soltero, soltero. And counterpart word is casado, Casado. The word casado means married person. The word casado means married person. Next pair is senor, Sen. Just over N, tilde sign is there in Spanish language. Then OR, SENOR. Senor means sir. Senor word means sir. Next is senora, SEN tilde sign ORA. Senora means madam. You can say it ma'am. So senor means sir and senora means madam. The last but not the least, the word for today is, it is senorita. The word is senorita and the spelling of this word is SEN, just ON, tilde sign is there, SENORITA. So senorita in the Spanish language itself means miss. Any unmarried girl who is miss, that person is called senorita from the language Spanish itself. So it's my passion with all the foreign languages. That's why I made this video today, and in the times to come, you will also learn about other languages as well. I am going to sum up my passion with the help of a share today, and the share is, इश्क क्या चीज है, इश्क क्या चीज है, ये परवाने से पूछिए। इश्क क्या चीज है, ये परवाने से पूछिए। इश्क क्या चीज है, ये परवाने से पूछिए। जिंदगी जिसको मिली, जिंदगी जिसको मयस्सर हुई, जिंदगी जिसको मयस्सर हुई मर जाने के बाद, जिंदगी जिसको मयस्सर हुई मर जाने के बाद। जिंदगी जिसको मुयस्सर हुई मर जाने के बाद. So, eso es todo. Por favor. That's all for this time. But keep subscribing and keep liking to my this new channel that is none but foreign languages by Kamal sir. Thank you.